Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak Donburi. First, gather all your ingredients, including thinly sliced steak, short grain rice, and a delicious Donburi sauce. Next, prepare your vegetables by thinly slicing 1/2 of an onion and chopping some fresh green onions for garnish. Finally, cook 2 cups of rice according to package instructions, ensuring it's perfectly fluffy and ready. Now let's cook that steak. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Quickly sear your thinly sliced steak for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, aiming for a beautiful medium rare. Remember, don't overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary. Once cooked, remove the steak and let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing it against the grain. With your steak rested and sliced, it's time to assemble your delicious Donburi. Start by placing a generous portion of the hot, fluffy rice into a large serving bowl. Next, artfully arrange the perfectly seared and thinly sliced steak over the rice. Finally, generously drizzle your homemade or store-bought Donburi sauce over the steak and rice, ensuring every bite is flavorful. To finish your masterpiece, garnish your steak Donburi with a sprinkle of fresh green onions and a dash of toasted sesame seeds for added texture and flavor. Serve your Donburi immediately to enjoy it at its best, savoring the warm rice, tender steak, and savory sauce. For more great deals and to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.